Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this if pass or if fail formula, so it's easier to grade your students, I guess. So for instance, they pass if they have a score over 50 or 40. So it's up to you what score you want it to be. Press the equal sign, select if, and then select this bit right here. Oh, select the score first, sorry. And then you're going to select this arrow thing. I don't know what it's called. Equal sign, and I'm just going to choose the score 50. So if they get 50 or above, they pass. Question mark, comma, quotation mark, pass, quotation mark, comma, fail, and then closed parentheses, press enter, and then press the check mark button. So as you can see, 2 of them failed and the rest passed. That is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!